Hello guys, welcome to my channel Treyank Manmoji. In this video, we will see poem on nature. So let's start a short poem on nature. Oh, wonderful nature! Oh, wonderful nature! I wonder how you are so beautiful with green trees and buzzing bees. The grass is so green and everything so clean. The wandering butterflies makes my thoughts fly. The waterfalls are so cool, just like a swimming pool. I love nature. I love nature that is so tall in stature. I hope friends you like this poem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.